Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious wine using green grapes with an easy method. This guide is perfect for beginners looking to try their hand at home winemaking. We'll cover everything from selecting your grapes to bottling your finished product. You'll learn about the essential equipment needed and the simple steps to follow for a successful batch. Get ready to transform fresh grapes into your very own homemade wine, a rewarding and enjoyable process. First, you'll need about 10 pounds of fresh green grapes. After destemming and crushing them, you'll have what's called must. To ensure a clean fermentation, add 1 Campden tablet per gallon of must. Wait 24 hours, then introduce your rehydrated wine yeast. Keep the must at a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage healthy yeast activity. This initial stage is crucial for developing the wine's character. Once primary fermentation slows, typically after 5 to 7 days, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the liquid into a clean carboy, leaving any sediment behind. Attach an airlock to prevent oxygen exposure while allowing carbon dioxide to escape. Let the wine ferment for another 2 to 4 weeks, or until the bubbling stops. You can use a hydrometer to confirm fermentation is complete, aiming for a specific gravity of 0.995 or lower. Before bottling, stabilize your wine to prevent any unwanted refermentation. Add potassium metabisulfite and potassium sorbate according to package directions. For a clearer wine, consider using a fining agent like bentonite or simply cold crashing it for several days. Finally, siphon your clear wine into sanitized bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork or cap them securely and store your homemade green grape wine in a cool, dark place to age and develop its flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.